Okay, so you've probably seen woodpeckers banging their heads against a tree. But did you know they experience decelerations of up to 1,200 G? To give you a bit of context, fighter jet pilots only experience forces of up to 9 G. So, could the evolution of woodpeckers teach us how to stop vibrations? Well, that's exactly what a team of 5 researchers set out to answer. They thought, what if we could mimic a woodpecker's design in a shock absorbing structure? Today, many engineering systems, from airplanes to bridges, suffer catastrophic failures due to uncontrolled vibrations. So there really is a big need to control these vibrations, not only to reduce wear and tear on components, but also to ensure safety. And after many months of hard work, they published in the Journal of Mechanical Design and Vibration. The paper is titled Free Vibration Studies of Woodpecker-Inspired Layered Shock-Absorbing Structure. To effectively mimic the woodpecker's design, the researchers chose materials with mechanical properties similar to each part of the bird's head. For example, they selected steel for the beak, aluminium for the skull, foam for the hyoid, and silicone gel for the spongy bone. In case anyone out there is wondering, the hyoid is the bony structure that supports the tongue and wraps around the skull. They then put these layers together to create a shock absorber. Now, this prototype went through all kinds of harsh tests, like smashing it with a hammer and measuring the vibrations with accelerometers, and the results were surprising. Now, the results of the study demonstrate that computer simulations closely match the real-world experiments. For example, they achieved a simulated frequency of 89.34 Hz versus an experimental 90.04 Hz. However, I was also hoping they would compare the woodpecker-inspired design against a traditional one. That way, we would know if nature's inspiration actually provides an advantage in reducing vibrations. Although the results do not tell us much, I think it's interesting to see researchers drawing inspiration from nature, especially woodpeckers, which have evolved to develop remarkable abilities. Imagine applying this design to everyday products like car bumpers that are better at absorbing impacts. It could definitely open up new possibilities for engineering design. And now, the meme of the week. See you guys next Wednesday. Take care and be sure to check out my other video on how ram horns handle forces.